Question 3 then was your differentiation question, sort of the first level of them, the easier one. There's a couple more differentiations to come, each one gets more difficult. But we start with, can we just differentiate this thing? And there's no negative powers, anything like this, so we just times by the power, and the power goes down by 1. Times by the power, and the power goes down by 1. And x, few people mark that one up, x differentiates to 1. It's the 2 that disappears. So you're getting 2 marks to do that. Now if we need the tangent of this, we need 3 pieces of information. We need the x number, we need the y number, and we need the gradient. The x number we're being told is 2. And the y number, well, to find out what the y number is, we throw it into this equation here. We put what happens at x equals 2, we've got 2 cubed minus 2 squared minus 2 plus 2. And that works out to be 4. You get a mark for that, just throwing in a number to find out that the y number is 4. We also want to know the gradient. And the gradient is putting the 2 in the gradient formula, what we just differentiated to get. So we've got 3 lots of 2 squared, take away 2 times 2, take away 1. Tap on the calculator if you're not sure. It works out to be 7. And the tangent, just like the first question, is a straight line. Y take away the y number equals gradient x take away the x number. I think I'll just multiply out the 7, 7x take away 14, and then we'll add the 4 to both sides. 7x take away 10. 4 marks for that. Now it talks about a normal. And the idea of the normal is the normal meets the tangent at 90 degrees. And so our x value is still 2, our y value is still 4, but our gradient is now the negative reciprocal of this, minus 1/7. So again, I'll just write y take away the y number equals gradient x take away the x number. Now you could tidy that up to try and get your equation, but you don't need to. We're asking, when does this cross the x-axis? When does this cross the x-axis? Here. Now the x-axis goes through the value y equals 0. And so we don't need to tidy this up, we just need to put y equals 0 in here. So putting y equals 0 there, I have this. Let's times both sides by, minus 7. Timesing that by minus 7 gives us 28 here. Add the 2 to get x equals 30. Let's just read the question. It does say find the coordinates of A, so I'm going to rewrite it as a coordinate 30, 0. X is 30, y is 0. Now it's a 10-mark question. It's a 10-mark question that sort of people with an A, a B, a C would want to get right, and the people at the lower end, you want to pick up quite a few marks from this. But I'd accept people perhaps going a little bit wrong in here, but now seeing it, saying, yeah, no, I should be able to do that.